Hi guys, Courtney Phoenix here. I'm going to show you a quick video of Amazon Smile, how ACU is going to use this as our new library function. We will have all the information listed in the toolbox of which class and textbook is going to be used for fall registration, which starts on March 15th, so stay tuned to that. In the meantime, I'm just going to show you, this is our primary function that we're going to use for our library. So it is smile.amazon.com is what you will type into your URL, and it'll send you to Amazon Smile. You'll want to go ahead and create an account. And this is a great way for not only students to access books easily and for faculty to access books easily, but a percentage goes back to Arizona Christian University, which is fantastic. So you want to go ahead and create a username, so your name, and then I'm just going to use an old email since I actually already have an account. And then we are going to make a password. Excuse me. Okay, hopefully this one will work. Save that. Okay, perfect. So it says select a charitable organization to start shopping. Okay, so what we want to do is go down here and it says pick your own charitable organization. We're going to type in Arizona Christian University, which is awesome. Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and search it. And we are the first one. So we're actually going to select this. Okay. And then you want to agree to the terms. And then look, we're at Arizona Smile, and we can type in the respective book that we need. Oh, I just got an email from it. We can type in the book that we need for a respective class, and this is what we're going to be using as our primary library source. So it's super easy. So you want to go ahead and whatever class it is, go ahead and type the function in. Find the particular book, make sure you're checking editions and authors. So this is one of the books of my classroom that I use. So yeah, once you find the book, you're able to purchase it through Kindle, audiobook, or paperback. And for faculty, to embed this into your classroom, go ahead and copy the link and make sure it's embedded in your classroom. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Yeah, so this is a super easy function, Amazon Smile. So smile.amazon.com is what you need to remember to get all of your textbook needs. Hope you have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.